Hi, greetings! I hope all of you are still well. This week we are going to do some creative writing again. For this activity, you are going to write a funny story. So this gives you the opportunity to let those creative juices flow a bit. Before writing your own funny story, you are going to read through the funny story on page 71. This is a very short piece, but it will give you an idea of what you need to do. When you write your own story about a funny incident in your life, it can either be an incident that happened to you or it can be something that you have heard. You are going to do Activity 8 on page 71. Keep the following points in mind for you writing your story. Your story must be in the form of an essay, so you need to keep in mind to have an introductory as well as a concluding paragraph. Your story needs to have a title. The title can be anything that relates to the story, but be careful about giving away the punchline of the story in the title. Write a first draft which makes it easier for you to edit before doing the final draft. The first draft will also give you an indication whether you are within your word count or not. Because you are writing about an incident in your life, you are allowed to make use of informal language. But be careful of making use of too many slang words while you are writing. Then make sure your story flows logically, meaning that the story needs to be like a story. And keep in mind that the funny point of the story must be only at the end. This will just help add to the suspense of reading the rest of the story to see what happens in the end. Your word count for this activity is 250 words. I look forward to reading all about all your funny stories. Enjoy writing!